Smart automation, better business. Learn how to optimize your business with Solved.
Hello and welcome back to the Solved YouTube channel. My name's Jared and I am a certified Salesforce consultant specializing in Revenue Cloud and setting up Revenue Cloud for fast-growing teams. So today we're going to be talking about something very exciting, which is the Advanced Configurator. This video is going to be more of a high-level overview of what the Advanced Configurator is, how it works, and what the shift is between product rules in CPQ and the standard configurator with this new cool feature in Revenue Cloud, the Advanced Configurator. So let's jump in and make sure to check out our other videos if this is helpful that are going to be diving deeper into the Advanced Configurator and its different features. All right, so CPQ, configure, price, quote. Especially today and age, we need to be able to configure dynamic and customized product solutions for our customers. And we can't really rely on sales reps to know exactly how certain products and bundles should be set up, when certain products should be required, when certain products should be hidden. This needs to be a dynamic solution. So ever since the days of CPQ, if you're familiar with that, with CPQ like I am, we use product rules. So product rules to specify when certain products should be required, when certain products should be hidden. In Revenue Cloud, if you're already familiar and have been playing around in Revenue Cloud, the standard configurator was the solution for this, where you could set up rules that could dynamically show products, dynamically hide products, do things with attributes, and was pretty powerful, but still not as scalable as it could be. The Advanced Configurator is Salesforce's next generation solution to configuring products, end quotes. It allows you to have high performance sub-second response times. So it's a lot quicker than product rules and especially a lot quicker than the standard configurator. And you're able to manage complex transactions with thousands of lines and intricate product structures. So how does it work and how do you set it up within Salesforce? Well, there is a very intuitive UI that's called the Visual Builder that allows you to bring in product structures and then define rules. And you can chain them and do a lot of different types of rules within the Visual Builder. Then for more complex tasks, you can actually see the CML code that's generated from what you build out in the Visual Builder. You can even write code or make edits from what's built from the more point and click Visual Builder, and make edits there to make dynamic solutions with very complex constraint logic, which leads us into constraint-based logic. Constraint-based logic is the key to understanding how the constraint engine works, which is what the Advanced Configurator runs on. So it's really a shift away from that if-then logic that we used a lot with product rules and the standard configurator, and more a shift to just defining what needs to be true. So instead of like in product rules or the standard configurator specifying if A, B, and C are true, then this needs to be true, or do this action, or show this product, or hide this product. Instead of doing that, we're defining what different constraints, basically just saying what needs to be true. So for example, if this product is configured this way, then this product needs to be configured this way. If the laptop bundle has a storage device of this amount and the value of the attribute, then set the value of this attribute to so-and-so and include this product by default. So instead of saying, if this is true, then do these things, and then having to probably set up a whole nother rule to define when you should back out of those different actions, all you need to set up is constraints to say, when this is true, what else needs to be true? And then the constraint engine will handle the rest. It'll automatically go through and find the different combinations and solutions that fit your constraints, And then if you make a change that no longer meets the constraints, then it will undo any actions that it takes, which is a really cool feature called backtracking that we definitely want to do another video on shortly that will show how that works. It also handles bidirectional syncing, which is another really cool feature that makes setting up these rules a lot easier. And with constraint-based logic, we're not going to have to set up as many rules, and it's going to be a lot easier to maintain those rules going forward. All right, so start using the Advanced Configurator. It's now generally available. The standard configurator is still going to be available, but Salesforce is no longer going to maintain it. So they do recommend starting to use the Advanced Configurator for any new rules and start migrating over your old rules that were on the standard configurator to be on the Advanced Configurator. As you're doing that, you're going to see how powerful the Advanced Configurator is. They have mentioned that there are tools in the pipeline coming out hopefully soon to be able to assist with migrating standard rules to advanced rules, but that hasn't been released yet. So keep an eye out for that, and an eye out for our other videos on transferring rules from the standard configurator to the advanced configurator, and then deeper dives into the different types of rules that you can create, bidirectional syncing, CML and more advanced rules written out within CML, and other cool things like rule chaining. So those are coming out. If they're already out, make sure to go check them out, as well as the other videos on our channel about Revenue Cloud, Agentforce, and other Salesforce topics. If this was helpful, again, please go like and subscribe, and leave a comment with any questions or roadblocks that you're running into. We'd be happy to help out and answer your questions there. Thanks.
Thank you so much for watching. We can't wait to help you automate your business. Please like, comment, or subscribe for more.